How to fix a new SSD not showing up on your computer. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix a new SSD not showing up on your computer. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, let's start with a step one, that is to open a disk management. So if you have installed a brand new SSD and it's not appearing inside File Explorer, device and drives, well, don't worry. This is completely normal and here you simply need to set it up. So to do that, you simply have to go to the Windows search bar and simply type partitions. And now here, once you have typed it, you simply have to click on the option that says create and format hard disk partitions. And here, once you click on it, this will open a disk management. So here, when disk management opens, you will or we will move forward to the step two, that is to initialize the new SSD. So when the disk management opens, you will see a pop-up called initialize disk. So there you just have to take the SSD that you want to initialize and there you have to select GPT as it is totally recommended. So there the other option is MBR, but GPT is better for the modern systems. And with that, you just have to click on OK. And after that, the step three, that is to locate the unlocated SSD. So here your new SSD will show up in a lower panel as unlocated and it will have a black bar on top. So there, with that, we'll be moving forward to the step four, that is to create a new simple volume. So there, right click on the unlocated section of the SSD and choose new simple volume. And this will open a new simple volume wizard. So there you just have to follow the setup and use maximum disk space. And after that, you simply have to click on next. And with that, moving forward to the step five, that is to assign a drive later. So there, choose any available drive later, for example, H, and this is what will show inside File Explorer. And with that, you simply have to click on next. And now, step six is to format the SSD. Now you need to format the new partition. So here use the settings, file systems, NTFS, allocation size default, and volume label anything you like, for example, new SSD. And once you're done with it, you simply have to click next and then finish. And with that, step 7 is SSD should now appear on the screen. So after finishing, your SSD should show up in device and drives inside the file explorer. But here, if it still doesn't appear, then you simply have to restart your computer and it will show up. And that's it. That's how you can fix new SSD not showing on your computer. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.